And the other screen over here has gone black. And it says ProPresenter 4, renewed vision product. Okay. So now over here, this has popped up, so we're just gonna say close. Okay, so we have to make a presentation with this. So first of all, grab your iPad. Okay, so grab my iPad or the tablet. What you're gonna do is install a program onto the computer called Space Desk. Space Desk allows you to have multiple monitors with just one computer with a low power graphics card. Okay. That is the presentation that you are going to make. Okay. So we don't actually have to install it. No, not today. Okay. So, I'm gonna hit new. Okay. There we go. Center text in centered large box. Okay. Very nice way to do it. See here. I like to have my tiles bigger, so. Okay, so I'm gonna hit edit. Okay, so this is gonna be called how to install Space Desk onto your computer. Okay, so now hit show. It's right down there. Now you want a nice animation. Okay, animation. It's been a while since I've used this. Say done, I guess. It says label. Maybe. Read that. Ah, that's how. So now go into video/image. Okay, right there. And go into backgrounds. Okay, we have no backgrounds. So, no. Add playlist, add folder, right there. So we're just gonna drag it over to the left so that you don't see my pictures. So we are just going to do a picture of this lighthouse. Okay. Say I put it on. Now, what you're gonna do is clear everything and then go over to the left. Okay. So you are now seeing my other display. Okay, so drag the lighthouse into the timeline with all the slides. Alright. Sure that's how I do it? Oh, there we go. Clear the slide. And then it really does not want to. Foreground, backgrounds, does not want to drag. Let's clear everything here. Now I can actually add props and stuff, but we're not going to do that right now. See here, copy, paste, edit, paste. Show us what you do. So I'm trying to drag this up here. But it's not wanting to. It's like I can like put this up and hide it again. Even put that up and then hide that. But it's not wanting to. Maybe if I go into the editor. Group 2 for slide template. Disable slide. Like if I disable slide here, I guess it's not going to actually, like if you just click on it, it's like the hide slide in PowerPoint. Let's go to song select here. Let's go to song select. And we're gonna just go with any ordinary song. We want the song Anchor. Choose that one. Go to lyrics. Oh, I need a song select account. Okay. So, still trying to get that thing in. It's like I've cleared everything. Like, I can't even. Is there something I'm missing? So first of all, go into preferences. Okay. See where it says, oh, this version doesn't have it. What doesn't it have? Oh, I think for the, what's it called? Matrox thingy, the dual or triple had to go. Oh, that thing. The clock's here, that's for stage display, which if I go to view, stage display, huh. Okay, so this version has not proven itself, so let's get a different version. So we go to Google, type in ProPresenter 5 download plus crack. Yeah, this software is not cheap either, literally. So we cannot use 6 because it requires Windows 8 and we have Windows 7. So we're going to get version 5 because I actually have experience with that version and It's not quite of a pain in the neck as this one. It's a little bit bigger though too. So yeah, on the low T. And this will also work if you have a TV plugged in. So we actually have our TV on. We don't though. We can actually connect our TV HDMI and it'll work. Yeah. Yeah. The latest one I think is 6.1.5.2. And that's for Windows. For Mac, it is 6.3.4. So yeah, Mac is more updated than the Windows. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now we can open the RAR and steal this. Extract to. That's good. Okay, now and then downloads. ProPresenter 5 set. You'll see how easy this setup is. I already have that stuff. Installing Banjo. Next. Accept. Next. Next. Okay, so now it's installing Banjo. Which is actually French. Okay, finish. I already have QuickTime 7 in here. I don't need it again. Typical. No desktop shortcuts. Yeah, other than this, it's pretty easy to install. So yeah, now we're gonna get ProPresenter 5 and 4. Which is more than we need. I think my church uses ProPresenter 6. Not sure. I may use 5. Okay, finish. No thanks. Okay, now it's gonna install the extra thing. Now I need that. How many more things do I need just to get one program? So we're gonna hit download, I guess. You get this. Can't it just download the full .NET so it doesn't have to waste time? I'm watching the actual live stream on my phone. It's very choppy. Oh, it's already done here. Classic Windows Vista, literally. Of course I want it. Yes. Microsoft.net. We can minimize that. Okay. Same or higher version of .NET Framework 4.5 has already been installed on the computer. So, oh yeah, that's me. I forget. So, it should not have to worry about it. Set up. I already installed that. Just cancel. Yes. Finish. Oh, come on. Set up. Yes. I guess repair? I don't really know. Okay, finish. No. Oh, come on. So, it is like so annoying. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? Not really. I guess. Repair. Okay. Finish. Yes. Save file. Hi, game first timer. Okay. Yes. Microsoft.net. Okay, so. Open with. Why does it even have to download it then? And the ProPresenter thing even quit on me, so. So, let's do it. Let's uninstall the, where is it? .NET. 4.7.2 I have. So we're gonna uninstall that. And see, it's even in the Windows 10 theme. The flag. So we're gonna hit next so that we can remove it. Continue. And then we are gonna put the 4.5 on here after a restart. So. Okay, so this is what takes forever. I hate installing .NET framework on PCs, literally. It just takes forever. And as you can see, this isn't going any fast either. I think I can see all my pixels. Well, some of them at least. I actually literally zoom in. I mean, put the phone up to the screen. You can actually see pixels. I just want to do it now, but there you go. Yeah, there's some pixels. Okay, now it is done. So we're gonna hit finish and restart the computer. I'm kind of like out of chargers. So I'm just gonna watch it on my iPad. That display looks so clean. Literally. I feel like that's almost about there. Yeah, that just looks so clean. Okay, so now let's go to the computer. this video download, okay. Here's my downloads. Move to ProPresenter 5. And then ProPresenter 5 setup. Wait for it to open. Why doesn't it look like it's 720p? It looks just fine over on the phone. Unit setup. Okay, yes. I accept. Fine. Just repair it as always. Yeah. So now it says it is installing the .NET framework 4.5, x86, and 64. Start. Run. That's gonna be shut down in 195 minutes. But if I do shutdown slash A, oops, I hope I did not do anything. Slash, oops, shut down slash A. Okay. Then it says the scheduled shutdown has been canceled. That's good. I just dragged this. The live stream, it's gonna look terrible. Yeah, it does. It's like all choppy and stuff. I even just like wave my hand over. You can barely tell that it's a hand. to install .NET framework. Yeah, you can actually see red, yellow, and blue. It looks like. Right here. Like right in here. Oh, especially right there. How good this camera is, literally. I don't use this anymore. I've switched over to this. And Firefox. It's much better now. Firefox. Or as I like to call it, Fearfox. I don't think it likes that. There we go. So now Firefox is called Fearfox. The recycling name is called rename, yep. Rubbish. Rubbish. Okay. Just align desktop icons or align to created. So there we go. Rubbish. And Fearfox. Fearfox. Rubbish. It still says recycling bin. So please wait. Do I have to? I think dinner's almost done. Okay, now it's actually installing. This really looks like the Android setup, honestly. Just if you ever need to talk, don't forget, you can email me at I'mProLife. I think it's 1998 or 1498. I don't know, let me look. I don't have it on this one. I think it's, look. Gamer. Why am I literally saying my password? Okay, there we go. So the email is I'mProLife4998. Okay. Whoa, that is a terrible speaker. Next. Good. So it's 4998@gmail.com. So now we have ProPresenter 5, which the two icons here look a little bit different. Tell me, what do you notice of the two icons? Okay, we're just gonna demo it. No, so this looks a little bit different too. Just stop. I'll make this easier. Okay. Okay, all up to date, yay. I'll just get that for now. Let's close out of that. And officially drag a photo once I create a document. And so this is different, so I'm just going to give it a name. How to install something and I don't know what, and I don't really care. There. What? I don't really care. So, how to install something and I don't know what, but I don't really care. So now we can actually drag a photo in. So let's say we put it right there. Also, it actually gives us a few photos. And also looks like a little sample video, which I actually like that video. The last time I installed it, it did not give us any videos. So, clear the background out. And let's do a fade. Or no, I think it's dissolve, yeah. It's gonna take 2.2 seconds. So we clear the background. Takes too long. There, good. So yeah, as you can see over here, then so I'm gonna double click to edit. Hello there, how are you? I am doing just fine this wonderfully hot day. Okay, so now if I go over here, I can hit show, and it should show it over there. There, hello, how are you? I'm doing just fine this wonderfully hot day. So now, if I go into view, timeline, view, No, it's another window. Stage display window. Now I can see this, which is again the stage display. So it's like countdowns, your next slide, and then yeah. Hold on just a second. So let's create a presentation. So you template. Okay, so you're gonna create a new slide here. You're gonna put that in the front. So if you can see, like in here, it kind of disappears. So I click on the slides. Yeah, and if I like clear all here, everything just goes to black. And if I click on the background, it appears. And then yeah. So let's say I'm a church leader. Let's say I am. I'm not actually. And I say edit slide here, and we want to put in, oh, I don't know, amazing grace. Okay. Now it's under one of these, this one, and I want the size to be 62, 66, with that one. Underline strikeout? No. How do I, like, try to fit, see. Wait. There we go. I'll just take Control I. So now if I do new slide, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Can we increase that? Okay. Make it bold. I once was lost, but now am found. And then, yeah. So now, just do that. Want to make big slides here. It's like if you're going on like 45-inch displays, like I am. Oh, there it is. Italic. Well, I'm not actually going on 45-inch displays, but you want big slides anyway. So I'm gonna hit Amazing Grace, put that up. But did you know that if we go under Preferences, this is what we're going to demo these. Okay. And go to multi-screen, and we are going to get a dual head to go. And props are only on the left. Slide is only on the right. That, yeah. Okay. There we go. think it's frozen. That happens quite a lot in the ProPresenter world. So we're gonna save it and relaunch it because, well, it kind of froze up on us, so we have to relaunch it. That happened a lot when I was trying it out. But the thing is that we actually have to redo the whole, like, demo thingies. Okay, so now that's up. That actually is pretty fast. And I had it before. It took a while. So I'm gonna go back in here and say demo modules. Okay. Want dual head to go. Okay. So now we can actually put up we don't want that. So oh no, it's under tile here. Wait, hopefully it didn't. Oh, it froze up on us again. It likes to do that a lot. Clear all. I have no idea why. Probably because, like, we have a demo and it's a terrible computer. So before we actually get into putting up any slides, we're going to do. Oh, come on. Preferences, demo, thingies. Yeah, it's for Matrix and yeah, stuff like that. Some multi-screen. Run the dual head, tile that, slide on the right, prop on the left. Don't want any of these. Okay. So now, once we hit an image, pops up. Now, the good thing about this is that when we actually put up the slide, we can change the image anytime. As long as we don't click on these, we're fine. So, if I just clear all. So, let's go to props, because props are pretty important when you're doing this. So, I think it's under window. No. If I do Control Shift P, I remember that. So now, we edit these props. And we go for, I think it's 66. Italic, and is that one. Okay. So now, we gotta hide this. Can I? There we go. Okay, so now we put up our thing. Pull up this thing. Oh, wait, no. We want it to fade in. So, we want to solve for 1.5 seconds. Good enough. And then we just click on these, and then only this one changes. The left stays the same. And then we can even like change the picture around, or even make it a video. And there we go. It is exactly how you'd want it. And then I can even take off the things, or even add one and say, text box, and say hi to someone. So we're not gonna keep it like this, of course not, because then it'll just be weird. So, like, if we do that, then, so if we go back into preferences, I believe, we can actually add one and say, both. So now we don't have any props. No props. Okay. So now we create a new slide. Editor. Say hi to someone. And if we click it, it's technically gonna go over on the right. But if we do this, on multi-screen, both no props, and then now it's on both. So if we go back into editor, make that bigger, of course. Maybe make it bolder, italic. Now it looks better. And then go back in preferences. We have to make another set. We say slides for music. And prop on the left, slide on the right. Okay, so now we just make prop 2 disappear. So yeah. And then, of course, we have to go back and then do slides for music. So if we technically just put this back up with a picture, oops, that. It's best to do that, or else it may get messed up, kind of. So let's style it. Then put our picture back up. Then put a prop up. And then say hi to someone. There we go.
Logan.
So, yeah. Put Amazing Grace back up. Works. Put this up. Then it says say hi to someone on both screens. So I'm going to take you over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So these two would technically be two different screens if we were using the matrix dual head to go in real life. But since we're not, it's not quite so. I mean, maybe if I had two displays connected, then I may do it, but it's too hard to do that. So, like if I just put in this, and say, oh, I want it only on slides for music, then it's going to put it over there. Put Amazing Grace back up. Say hi to someone, then it goes weird again. Yeah, it's a little interesting because it keeps having to change. So we're going to clear all. Put Amazing Grace back up. Okay, so that one is the slides for music. Okay. Now if we go back into preferences, slides for music, and we want tiled pictures. Now if I put this back up, I can just switch between the two. There. Put our prop back up. There. It works. Then, oh, say hi to someone. There we go. And then you're on to your next song. Just put that back up, and then here's your next song name for the prop. You can take off that. So yeah, and then you just go on with your music. And then when you're done, you just go on to your next song. And then you do it over and over. And then when you're finally done with the service, you hit clear all, and then that'll clear everything out. And then you can either turn off the output or turn off your displays and then shut down the computer. So here's like some examples of pictures. Let's then the video. Yeah. So I used to actually have some, but then let's go into their welcome thing, which is like a little presentation. So we put up a picture. Welcome to ProPresenter 5. This document will walk you through some of the basic functions. We can import stuff, download sample content, templates continued, understanding playlists, grouping and arrangements, queue inspector. So basically, if I go to add a clear action queue, I can say background, so that when I go outside, it just takes out our background, and then I can pick a new one. So let's say Twitter, and then I can do that exact same thing. Yeah. And let's say pick the next picture. And when I get to there, makes me pick a new one. And there we go. So that is a ProPresenter for dummies, yeah. Now, you cannot drag anything to this when it's on. You have to turn it off. To do that, click on this output thing, and then it'll turn off, and you can just, well, make sure to clear everything before you do. Then you say enable, disable that. Crash hits, but at least it will work. So then you can just close it off, but be sure to close your output first and save all. And there we go. So that's it. I've made a presentation, shown you a present, and yeah, time for dinner. See ya. Peace out. It's just shutting down now.